Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Bank of America customer, you know how much time mobile banking can save. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of depositing a check using the Bank of America mobile app. It's fast, secure, and perfect for avoiding trips to the branch. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, download it from your app store and create or log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Look for the Deposit Checks icon, usually front and center or under the Menu tab. Before snapping photos, don't forget to endorse your check. Flip it over, sign your name, and write, "For mobile deposit only," below it. This step is key to making sure everything goes smoothly. Now, tap on Deposit Checks and the app will guide you to take pictures. Make sure you're in a bright, well-lit area for clear images. Start with the front of the check. Align it within the on-screen frame and snap the photo. Then, do the same for the back. The app might ask you to confirm the amount and your account details, so double-check for accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit button. You'll get an on-screen confirmation, and the app will let you know when to expect the funds, typically within one business day. Keep the original check safe until the deposit is fully processed, then shredded to prevent any fraud. And there you have it. Depositing a check with the Bank of America app is that straightforward. It's a game changer for busy days. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.